There are some really bizarre and alternative ways people are making money online, and in this video I will show you 6 alternative and for some maybe crazy ways that actually work if you want to make money online. My name is Michael and I have made money online for years, and I always find it fascinating how many different ways you can earn online, and therefore I want to record this video. Maybe it will serve as inspiration or maybe just entertainment, because it can be quite interesting to see what type of bizarre ways it is actually possible to make money, and I'll show you 6 ways. So let's just get straight to the first method. So the first method is to sell blank PDFs and, for example, fake invoices. It sounds a little bit crazy, but it is actually possible. For example, on a platform like Etsy, it can also be Fiverr, Gumroad, eBay, different platforms like this. And you can see, for example, if I search here for minimalist blank line paper here on Etsy, then you can see there are some where people are selling this. And this requires no inventory or anything like that, and also minimal effort, so it can generate passive income if you build it up. And the reason some people are looking for something like this is that they just prefer printing their own custom sheets instead of buying notebooks, and then they can find all kind of custom papers here that they can just print out. It can also be, if we're talking, for example, some fake invoices or parking ticket, fake parking ticket, something like this. This can be fake invoices that are used for pranks, or it can be for movie props, fake parking tickets, something like this that is used in theater, filmmaking, or pranks. But of course, if you sell documents like this, it's like, you know, there's some legal things that it should only be for pranks or for movies or something like this. But again, it's just to show you that something that can seemingly seem completely useless files that you don't think you can make money on, there are actually some people making decent money from selling this stuff online. The next option is renting out your friendship, and there are different websites that offer this, and for example, Rent a Friend is an option. And it's important to say that this is actually non-romantic, so it's not a dating, or you're not selling any services like this. This is where you kind of get paid to be someone else's friend, and some people are making hundreds of dollars per month doing this. And it can be where people just need company, it can be where they need to chat to someone online, it can be a phone call, it can also be to actually go physically with them to some kind of event if they just need someone to go there with. You can see some of the examples here. It can be to music, it can be different cultural things, it can be tutoring, it can be going to the beach. It can basically just need someone that needs company for some kind of reason, and they're willing to pay for that, and then you can actually get paid to become a friend. Another way where you potentially can earn some extra money is by reselling weird items that you, for example, can find in thrift stores or other stores, or maybe you just have some weird stuff laying at home. This can be, for example, selling old VHS tapes, it can be vintage postcards, or for example, you can see even here on eBay, some people are actually selling expired perfumes, because sometimes collectors are willing to pay big money for what can seemingly seem useless stuff. So if you have stuff like that laying around, or if you would like to go out and explore and find some options like this, then you can do some research and see what there's a demand for, and then you can actually just resell it and earn some decent money depending on what kind of stuff you can find. The next one here is getting paid to apologize, and this is one that I find kind of funny, but there is apparently a demand for it. You can, for example, see on Fiverr, if you search for apology letter, there are quite a few people that earn money by writing an apology letter for someone else. I know it seems strange, but yes, it is also possible to make money like that. You can see some people, this person here has 106 reviews, so that means at least 106 people have hired this person here, and the fee per letter there starts at 16 euros. So some people are making decent money like this. Some people are also making good money sleep streaming on platforms like, for example, Twitch. So basically they just film themselves sleeping, and then they earn money in different ways. This can be by getting donations or subscribers, or they can make money from different sleep challenges. Of course, it requires you to actually have an audience before you can start doing that, but I just find it quite interesting again that there is actually a market, people are actually willing to pay for this if it's for a specific challenge, or if it's a person they know that sleep stream. And it's just seemingly strange, but again, there are just so many different ways to make money, and I found this quite interesting and wanted to share it also. The last option I wanted to talk about is by uploading stock photos, for example, of hands or feet or even ears. There are many different stock photo platforms, and you can see there are people looking for pictures of, for example, ears, also of ears of animals, as you can see. And if you are good at taking pictures, you can, take pictures like this and potentially also make money by uploading them to different stock photo platforms. So as you can see, there are some quite bizarre and strange ways to make money online. And of course, these are not for everyone, but I just find it so interesting to dig into different ways to earn, and then it's all about finding the right ways for you. If you want to know more about some different free ways to earn some extra money on the site right away, I do, for example, also have a free email course that will show you some little bit more regular ways, but with all the details to get the most out of those methods. And I have a free email course, as mentioned. I'll leave a link below so you can go and sign up for that. But if what you're interested in is to build, for example, your own online business and are willing to put in time and effort for that to build up systems that can potentially make you really great money in the long run, then I also do have some more information on my website of my top recommended way to do that. So I'll also leave links to that below. But also, if you have any experiences with other bizarre ways to earn online, please share in the comment below. That would be great to hear. And no matter what, if this video has helped you or if you find it entertaining, then please just hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I'll release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.